Hello friends, welcome to civil engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with repair and rehabilitation of structures. So the first question, which of the following factors affect the selection of DPC for the building? Option A, cost of DPC. Option B, quality of DPC. Option C, climatic condition of the building. Option D, the height of the building. So the correct answer is option B, quality of the DPC. Next question, damp proof course is laid dash the housing wall. Option A, above. Option B, below. Option C, inside. And option D, outside. So the correct answer is option B, below the housing walls. Next question, damp that is traveling sideways through the adjoining walls are arrested by option A, vertical DPC, option B, horizontal DPC, option C, DPM, option D, bitumen layer. The correct answer is option A, vertical DPC. Next question, which of the following DPC material comes under the semi-rigid type? Option A, mastic asphalt, option B, slates, option C, stones, option D, plastic seating. So the correct answer is option A, mastic asphalt. Next question, which of the following DPC material comes under the rigid type? Option A, mastic asphalt, option B, slates, option C, slurry, option D, plastic sheet. So the correct answer is option B, slates. If case they are asking semi-rigid type, that is mastic asphalt, if the rigid type is called slates. Next question, the flexible hard bit one used as a DPC should be laid at the thickness of option A 5 mm, option B 3 mm, option C 10 mm, option D 15 mm. So the correct answer is option B 3 mm. Next question, when the bituminous fills are used as DPC, an overlap of dash is provided at the joints. Option A 105 mm, option B 130 mm, option C 100 mm, option D 150 mm. So the correct answer is option C 100 mm. Next question, when the metal sheets such as lead sheets are used as DPC, then the thickness of the sheet should be such that the weight is less than dash Newton per mm square. Option A 100, option B 200, option C 400, option D 150. So the correct answer is option B 200 Newton per meter square. Next question, when the bricks are used as a DPC, then the water absorbing capacity of such brick should be less than the dash percentage of their weight. Option A 2.5, option B 4.5, option C 10.5, option D 10. So the correct answer is option B 4.5 percentage. Next question, the places where different thermal movements occur, dash material are to be used. Option A flexible, option B rigid, option C semi-rigid, option D slurry. So the correct answer is option A flexible, because in the thermal movements the expansion and contraction will be takes place. So the flexible material is the most suitable when the differential thermal movements are there. Next question, dash base cause damage to the DPC that is laid. Option A even, option B uneven, option C rigid, and option D flexible. So the correct answer is option B, uneven base cause damage to the DPC that's laid. Next question, in case of the building without plinth, the DPC is provided at dash mm above the ground level. Option A 100 mm, option B 200 mm, option C 150 mm, and option D 250 mm. So the correct answer is option C 150 mm. Next question, when the bitumen fails are used for damp proofing treatment, then in the premier coat it is laid at the rate of dash kg per meter square. So option A 2.5, option B 1.5, option C 0.5, option D 3. So the correct answer is option B 1.5 kg per meter square. Next question, in case of building that the built on the places where the subsoil water table is low, vertical DPC is provided on the dash face of the basement of wall. Option A internal face, option B external face, option C header face, and option D stretcher face. So the correct answer is option B external face. Next question, when the vertical DPC is laid to the groove is made and filled with the cement mortar with the ratio of option A 1:4, option B 1:8, option C 1:6, and option D 1:10. So the correct answer is option A 1:4. Next question, which of the following methods is adopted when the treatment is to be given for the basement which is built in the damp soil? Option A, using the bituminous fills. Option B, usage of asphalt. Option C, usage of ferrocement. And option D, usage of foundation drains and DPC. So the correct answer is option D, usage of foundation drains and DPC is the correct answer. Next question, when the treatment is to be given for the basement which is built in the damp soil using the cement mortar, dash based chemicals or used along with the rough stone slabs? Option A, acrylic based. Option B, ethylene based. Option C, alcoholic based. Option D, fiber based. So the correct answer is option A, acrylic based chemicals. Next question, providing RCC floors and wall slab are adapted for the basement that are built in damp soil. Option A, moist soil. Option B, sandy soil. Option C, damp soil. Option D, alluvial soil. So the correct answer is option C, damp soil. Next question, when the vertical DPC is used to groove in the cut to the depth of dash mm. Option A, 78 mm. Option B, 65 mm. Option C, 100 mm. Option D, 55 mm. So the correct answer is option B, 65 mm. Next question, the damp proofing treatment is given to the floors, then dash mm thick layer of coarse sand is completely spread over the entire floor area of the building. Option A, 100 to 150. Option B, 200 to 250. Option C, 75 to 100. Option D, 250 to 300. So the correct answer is option C, 75 to 100 mm thickness of layer. Next question, above the base course a layer of dash is laid to a depth of 100 mm. Option A, lime cement concrete. Option B, plain cement concrete. Option C, waterproofing cement. Option D, lean cement concrete. So the correct answer is option D, lean cement concrete is the correct answer. Next question, walls get damp due to dash of bricks and mortar joints. Option A, strength. Option B, porosity. Option C, voids. Option D, soundness. So the correct answer is option B, porosity. Next question, when damp proofing treatment is given to walls, plastering is done in the proportion of dash mix ratio. Option A, 1:1.5:3. Option B, 1:1:5. Option C, 1:1:6. Option D, 1:5:10. So the correct answer is option C, 1:1:6. Next question, when damp proofing treatment is given to the wall in the areas of heavy rainfall, cement plaster is applied to by mixing a waterproofing component like option A, wood glue. Option B, acrylic resin. Option C, polyurethane resin. Option D, plaster proof. So the correct answer is option A, wood glue. Next question, in the internal wet areas like toilet, which of the following waterproofing method is adapted? Option A, bituminous membrane. Option B, liquid water membrane proofing. Option C, cementitious frost waterproofing. Option D, bituminous coating. So the correct answer is option C, cementitious waterproofing. Next question, which of the following is not a self-adhesive component using the waterproofing treatment? Option A, asphalt. Option B, polymers. Option C, fillers. Option D, polyurethane. So the correct answer is option D, polyurethane. Next question, which of the following waterproofing method is more expensive? Option A, bituminous membrane. Option B, liquid water membrane proofing. Option C, cementitious waterproofing. Option D, polyurethane liquid water membrane proofing. So the correct answer is option D, polyurethane liquid water membrane proofing. Next question, in case of damp proofing treatment is given to the flat roofs, the slope to be maintained is option A, 1:20 to 1:30. Option B, 1:50 to 1:60. Option C, 1:40 to 1:60. Option D, 1:10 to 1:20. So the correct answer is option C, 1:40 to 1:60. Next question, water drain pipes of dash diameter used flat roofs to drain the rainwater. Option A, 40 cm. Option B, 10 cm. Option C, 15 cm. And option D, 50 cm. So the correct answer is option B, 10 cm. Next question, in case where thermal insulation is not required, dash bitumen fills are used. Option A, acrylic. Option B, acetylene. Option C, hessian. And option D, acetone. So the correct answer is option C, hessian. Again we will see next video. Thank you.